friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Elpis fallen star game crashing, not launching, not loading or other issues on Android device. So if you are also into the same situation, just follow the methods. So the very first method is to restart your phone. So for that, press power plus volume up button. Now click on restart. So this will restart your device. After restarting, try to play the game. If not, next is to check internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable. If you are using Wi-Fi, then disable it and go to mobile data, or do vice versa, and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to force stop Elpis fallen star game. So for that, hold the game icon over here, then go to the app info, then click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the app. After that, try to launch the game and see if it works. If not, next solution is to clear cache of the game. So for that, go to the app info, then click on storage and cache option, then click on clear cache, and after that check if you can launch the game or play the game. If not, next solution is to check if there is any update available. For that, go to the Google Play Store. Now in the search option, you have to search for Elpis fallen star, and here you should check if there is any update available. If any update is there, update your game and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, you should also check whether your phone needs any update. For that, go to settings, then go below, click on system update, and here you should check if any update is available for your device. If there is any update available, you have to update your phone OS and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game once again. So for that, hold the game icon over here, then click on uninstall icon, then click on uninstall. After uninstalling it, again go to Google Play Store and search for the game and then click on install option. So by this way, you can easily fix Elpis fallen star game crashing, not launching or other issues on Android devices. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.